and it starts recording. So now it's recording. So let's move the camera a little bit out of the way here. You will have to go and look in the description to see the video. Let's see, you're in view, check. So now I could go around playing workman up here. Maybe I was gonna mix some concrete. Probably not, it's not on. Oh, it is on. Okay, okay. Cool enough. So, some stuff over here. Yeah, I need to figure out what to do with those. I have my bathroom is getting tile up here, and the tiles has been cut out here, so everything is really dusty. I have been cleaning a little bit, but not enough. So we can kind of walk around the camera, and you'll be able to follow me around. I could be working over here, checking the installation. Some is missing. Yeah. Oh, there's the glue. I don't know. But yeah, camera is running out of power. Over here are all the tiles that have been cut up. Stacks and stacks and stacks of tiles that have been grinded up. So yeah, I could go out here. And I could come back in over here. Very fancy. Go around the camera. Be doing something over here. Oh, this is my new cupboards for the bathroom. It's gonna be great, I'm sure. And I guess that's enough. So let's see if we can stop recording.